Welcome to our ultimate guide on making money with VidIQ in 2025. Today, we'll explore how this powerful tool can enhance your YouTube channel. Understanding the YouTube algorithm is crucial for success. Let's see how AI tools like VidIQ can help you navigate it. Setting up VidIQ is simple. Follow this step-by-step guide to get started. Utilize VidIQ's tools for extensive keyword research to find profitable niches relevant to your content. Enhancing your video titles, descriptions, and tags with VidIQ's AI can significantly improve your visibility. Leverage VidIQ's data analytics to inform your content strategy for maximum impact. Discover how to boost viewer interaction using AI-driven engagement strategies. Explore different monetization options on YouTube and see how VidIQ can help enhance your earning potential. Join us as we look at real success stories from creators who have leveraged VidIQ effectively. As we wrap up, remember that with AI tools like VidIQ, the future of YouTube creation is bright. Here are our final tips for success.